What's going on, guys? That Charger guy here. Wanted to give you guys a quick update. It's been about a week since my last video. I'm gonna try and post once a week, but let's get right to it. So I got the shopping, and let's just say I did some shopping. So let me flip the camera around and take a gander. So obviously the Subaru needs quite a bit of stuff. Most important thing in my opinion to work on a car is the hood suspension or the hood shocks that basically hold the engine up, because that thing doesn't have anything. And then quite a bit of suspension parts. I got some Perrin bushings, inner and outer tie rod sets here. I'm gonna skip over this big box. Lower control arms and ball joints. And then probably the most fun thing I got for this car, coilovers. So yeah, I got a nice set of BC coilovers. You know, in hindsight, does the car need coilovers? Probably not, but that's okay. And also too, I got pretty much everything. Pretty sure I showed it in the last video, but this entire section here is for that car. So we've got a pretty much full revamp kit, and I was doing some research on it, and it looks like the car, I think it's locked or unlocked. I can't remember right now because I had some friends over, but oh, it's locked. But anyways, if you can see inside here, let's see here. Let me flip around here. I'm sure y'all can see that. That is a Cobb access port. So I got a lot of things. You know, I got all that stuff I just showed. I also am waiting in the mail for a new shift knob and also a CarPlay radio. I forgot the brand of it. It's not Kenwood. I can't remember off the tip of my tongue. But obviously a lot has been spent on this car, including that Cobb access port. That wasn't cheap, but car was tuned before. I'm imagining it was a stage 2 tune, stage 2 plus tune, just because the car is catless, I just learned. And like I said, it has the HKS downpipe and exhaust system. So she is running a little rough right now. I think the PCV valve is faulty, because that is the only code that I'm getting in the engine right now with the Cobb access port. I've cleared it and it came back. That being the case, I am very excited to install this, give this thing a fresh bit of life. And also too, I have all the stuff over here on the shelf that is for the fluids and just the overall whole maintenance kit, spark plugs and everything. So I think I've already showed that in the previous video. So most of which I'm excited for is this bad boy. My SRT has air ride suspension, so it's like it acts like this in a certain way, but I haven't installed coilovers. I don't think ever. Like, I went from a lowering springs car to just straight air ride. I didn't install the air ride, so this looks like a not terrible job to do. It is BC, so I mean they're really high end for the Subaru. Do I need BC for this car? No. Did I buy it anyway? You're damn straight. So pretty excited to get all this done. I think some of this in the garage I'm gonna get done just to make the car a little bit drivable on the road. I've been practicing in my neighborhood around here. You know, driving stick. I can get from 1 to 5, no problem. Downshifting, still learning. I'm a little iffy on that. Got a little scared for that car. But subframe's gotta get replaced ASAP. That's the main component for me to be able to drive on the main road. I'm also waiting for my plate, which custom plate. You guys are gonna love that thing. But yeah, just want to make a quick video because I know the previous one was 14 minutes long, and who the hell wants to watch all that? So just trying to get, you know, everything situated. But next video, next update is going to be me honestly working on the car. I'm going to do some research first to kind of figure it out because I have no idea what I'm doing. So other than that, we will see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning on the update. I will see you guys when I'm wrenching this car. So deuces.